stone. Let's see which one falls first alone. The stone goes thump, it hits the ground. The feather floats and spins around. Why so slow? Zafir cries out. Lena smiles, I figured it out. The air is pushing, soft but strong. It slows the feather all day.